The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks by Rebecca Skloot. The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks is a nonfiction book by Rebecca Skloot that tells the story of Henrietta Lacks, a woman whose cancer cells were taken without her knowledge or consent and used for medical research. The book explores the ethical and scientific implications of Lacks' story, and sheds light on the history of medical research and experimentation on African Americans. The book is divided into 3 parts. The first part tells the story of Henrietta Lacks, a poor African American woman from Baltimore who died of cervical cancer in 1951. Without her knowledge or consent, a doctor took a sample of her cancer cells and sent them to a laboratory, where they were found to have an unusual ability to reproduce indefinitely. These cells, known as HeLa cells, became the basis for countless medical breakthroughs, including the polio vaccine, in vitro fertilization, and cancer research. The second part of the book explores the scientific and ethical implications of Lacks' story. Skloot discusses the history of medical experimentation on African Americans, and how Lacks' cells were used without her knowledge or consent. She also examines the impact of HeLa cells on medical research, and the controversies that have arisen over their use. The final part of the book tells the story of Skloot's own research into Lacks' life and legacy. Skloot discusses the difficulties she encountered in researching Lacks' story, and the impact that the book has had on Lacks' family and the wider scientific community. Overall, The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks is a compelling and thought-provoking book that raises important questions about medical ethics, race, and the legacy of scientific research. Skloot's engaging writing style and personal approach make the book accessible to a wide audience, while her thorough research and attention to detail make it a valuable resource for scholars and scientists. Thanks for watching.